Hello, my name is Lydia. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am making Parmesan chicken, creamy spaghetti, and peas. I hope you'll enjoy this video, get inspired with a supper idea, and be encouraged and motivated. Let's get started. The first thing I need to do is blend up these crackers. I don't buy them much anymore because we're cutting back on our carbs and processed food intake. I haven't bothered to measure because I'll throw the extra in the freezer, plus I have another recipe I'll be using them in soon. I'll link that video below in the description box. To these crumbs, I'll add a little Parmesan cheese. Once it's mixed together, I can start coating the chicken with it. I'll leave one piece of chicken uncoated for my husband, as per his request. There we go. The chicken is done, and I'll clean up while I wait for the bread to finish baking. The bread bakes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, so I just needed to up the temperature a bit. The chicken does not have to be turned, but I had time today and wanted to flip it. I buy spaghetti in bulk, so when my container gets empty, I open a bag. I believe it's a 2 kg bag. Break the spaghetti in half and fill up the container, which is from the Tupperware Modular Mate set. One bag of spaghetti perfectly fits into the container. Then, when I want to make spaghetti, like now, I know that one large handful plus a little bit is just enough for our family, and the spaghetti fits in my pot this way. I sprinkle it around, plus give it a stir right away as further prevention of it all clumping together. The chicken is ready for the next step, a little pizza sauce. This is pizza sauce that I can every year, and I use it for anything that calls for pizza or pasta sauce, pizza, lasagna, and so much more. Then, once every piece of chicken has a little sauce, about 2 to 4 tablespoons, I sprinkle some mozzarella cheese over each piece as well, and it can go back into the oven for about 10 minutes. The spaghetti is looking like it's done, so I'll strain it and start the cream. Literally. Here's what it looks like. As soon as the cream has come to a boil, the spaghetti can be added back into the pot. It gets another stir and then it's done. We love spaghetti like this, with sweet and sour meatballs, sweet and sour sausage, in which case most of us will pour some sweet and sour sauce over our spaghetti, or like this today, whoever wants will pour a little ketchup over top. Once the peas are done, I strain out the cooking liquid, add a little bit of butter, salt and pepper, and supper is ready. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more videos, hit the bell so you'll be notified when we post new videos, and I look forward to bringing you more motivation in the next video and possibly another idea of what to put on your plate. Catch you next time.